Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your download history on the Google Play Store. This can be useful if you want to find apps that you downloaded before, check your old apps, or reinstall something that you removed from your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you're inside the Play Store, look at the top right corner and press on your profile icon. Now make sure you're using the correct Google account because your download history is linked to the account currently signed in on the Play Store. After that, press on Manage Apps and Device. Now go to the Manage section. Here, you will see a list of apps connected to your Google account. By default, Google Play will show you the apps that are currently installed on your device. To see apps that you downloaded before but have already uninstalled, press on the filter option at the top and change it from Installed to Not Installed. Now, you can scroll through the list and see all the apps you have downloaded in the past using your Google account. You can also select any app from this list and reinstall it again if you want. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.